Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that we all love, and that is the capsule wardrobe starter kit. We're going to talk about the pieces that you need in order to have a functional capsule wardrobe. So in simple terms, a capsule wardrobe is a collection of pieces of clothing that you love and you wear to the fullest. It's pieces that are very high quality, timeless, and when you wear it, you feel like you own it and you feel like it's your own kind of style, and it's easy. It's easy for your day-to-day life. It's like a uniform. The pieces that you know that you'll use when you need them. So that's a capsule wardrobe. So the idea in a capsule wardrobe is to have less but wear more of everything that you love, of the things you love, the key pieces that you've chosen that you'll be wearing. So let's get into what exactly are these pieces that you'll need. So we have the capsule wardrobe starter kit essential, the core pieces that you need. So we are starting off with the top, and in tops, you have different kinds of tops. So the first one is a white shirt. The white shirt is a staple in any wardrobe that you can think of. So you can choose a navy color. Oh no, I've already said a white shirt. But if you don't like white, you can do navy, you can do green, you can do blue, you can do stripes. Just one shirt is enough. So the white shirt, you can tuck it in or you can let it loose, and you wear it with a blazer and jeans, and you can wear it in your workplace or at home or when you're hanging out. You can make it work for you. So with the white top, you can wear it up or wear it down. So it doesn't matter. Just have one white shirt and wear it just any way that you like. Also, you can decide to go with a cotton material because you're just starting out and you're trying to find out your style and your fashion sense. So start just with one cotton white shirt. The second piece that you need in your capsule wardrobe are trousers. So you need a jeans. You can choose the one that you like. Just don't go with trends. Choose the one that fits your style. You can choose slim fit, the ones that are wide leg or straight leg. It's your choice. Just choose the one that works for you. And the third piece that you need in your wardrobe is the outerwear. Outerwears, we're talking blazers and coats. So a blazer can make a look to be transformative, from just being basic to being elevated. So for the coat, it depends on the climate and which part of the world you live in. So the coat can be a trench coat, a denim coat, any coat of your choice. Make sure it suits the place that you live in and the weather. Make sure you choose a coat that fits your style and what you love to wear. And the next piece that you need in your capsule wardrobe is a dress. So mostly you need a black dress. So for the little black dress, you can choose the one that fits your body type and your taste. If you want a long one or just a midi one, it's up to you. But make sure it's a black dress, and you can dress it up with heels or dress it down with sneakers. So you can try both and see which one you like. So the next piece that you need in your capsule wardrobe are shoes. Shoes, you can have one or two pairs or even three if you can, but mostly just start with the ones you have. So the first one is sneakers. The sneakers can be white, black, or any type of sneaker that you like. So the sneakers can be worn with the dresses, the jeans, or even the skirt. And the second kind of shoes that you can also have is flats. Flats, just easy. So when you don't want to wear heels, you can try flats. Flats of any design and any color will do. So flats come in handy when you really want to be comfortable but still look put together. So try flats or loafers, or what do we call it? Mules. I hope I'm saying it right. So you can try those ones and find out which one you like, you prefer the most, and wear it with the clothes that you have. The third one, which is optional, you can have are heels or boots. The heels and the boots, it's absolutely up to you. Which design do you like? Which color? Which shape do you prefer? It's all up to you. Make sure you have boots or heels. A black heels, red heels. But for now, you can just start with the black heel. And for boots, you can choose, the long up to knee boots, or what do we call it? Ankle boots. Yeah. So for these pieces, mostly go for the neutral color because you're just starting out to build your wardrobe. So just one step at a time. So go with the neutral color. And the other piece that you need in your capsule wardrobe is accessories. Everybody loves accessories. So for the accessories, you will need a classic bag. So a black bag, brown bag, or even a white bag. So make sure the bag is of high quality and it fits the things that you need to put in your bag. Don't go for this really small ones when you're beginning. Go for maybe mid size or almost bigger one. And make sure you choose the one that will be functional. And the other accessory that you need is jewelry. Jewelry is essential in your wardrobe. So when it comes to jewelry, we're talking about watches, earrings, and necklaces. So make sure you choose pieces that you can wear every day and of good quality. It's up to you, but make sure you have at least one of, you can start with earrings, the studs one, or you can start with the classic pieces, the gold ones. So just simple pieces that you can start with and wear with the clothes that you have. Okay guys, so those are the pieces that you can start with in your capsule wardrobe. So you have the top, the bottoms, the outerwear, the dresses, the shoes, and the accessories. So make sure you have at least one in each category that we've mentioned. You can just start with one. That's also what I'm doing on my side. So there are so many possibilities in just a few pieces in your wardrobe that you can start with and make something that you really love. There you have it guys, your ultimate capsule wardrobe starter kit. So I hope you will try some that I've mentioned, because even me, I'm on a journey. I'm still building my wardrobe, and we'll get there together. So guys, thank you so much for watching and for being here and for keeping me company. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.